Vlogmas day 9. The Christmas lights are on. My hair needs to be washed. Anyway, if you guys watched yesterday, I told you guys I was gonna be cooking today, but I guess my dad already cooked the pasta sauce, so I literally just have to cook pasta. My dad cooked the pasta sauce last night, which I wanted to do, but it's all good. It saves us time because pasta sauce, sauce. Obviously cooking like a full meal takes a little longer, so I have time. I'm gonna change out of this clothes. This is how you know I'm stressed. I'm gonna change, put a new shirt on, wash my face this morning. I've been slacking on washing my face, y'all. That's not good. Don't do that. And just do a cute little morning routine for myself. And then I think I'm just gonna focus on some sign language. I need to, of course, do some sign language. And then I also have a math test today, so I think I'm gonna do practice math test. And then on Friday, I have a sign language test due. And then on Friday, I also have an extra credit. So there's a lot going on, whether you guys see it or not. There's a lot going on. There's a lot of stress, but I'm excited for the week to be over because like I told you guys, a tip of how I survive, usually stressful assignments, stressful quizzes, finals week, is I tell myself, you're gonna feel really good at the end. Or like if I have a due date, say if I'm like doing this, it's due at midnight and I'm like stressed, like a paper and I'm really stressed, I'm like, okay, just know it, after 12, you're done this and you're gonna feel really good when it's done. So that's kind of the motivation I keep in my head. It is 1, so I think I'm just gonna do like a skincare routine, start a couple of my videos, and yeah. It's been an hour and literally I did my face or whatever, and then I spent a little bit of time doing some extractions and taking stuff out of my skin. Okay, I don't recommend doing it if you don't know how, because you're gonna mess up your face. Oh, I just realized I have laundry in the wash that needs to be switched out. Let's go do that and then we'll come back here. Okay, I know I'm not the only one. Washing bedding is so annoying. It never dries. This is like my 3rd cycle and my last cycle I'm doing of this. Just because I hate air drying my bedding, it's just annoying. But we're doing this one more time, and then if it doesn't work, we'll just air dry it because we're not gonna just keep running this all week. And I have other stuff in the wash. It needs to be transferred to the dryer. Anyway, back to my room. That felt like a waste of time. Now we're gonna do some sign language. Yeah, and then I might do I need to practice some math before I do my math test. I need about 2 hours to do it. So I'll probably start my math test actually like 7 o'clock. It's 2 p.m. right now. So I have a lot of time. Oops. Okay, so I broke my parents' house. I literally won't go back in. Ugh. I pulled too hard. But let's strain these noodles. I'm not going to burn it. It's fixed. Okay. So I'm pissed. I'm not actually pissed. I'm just kind of mad at myself. I took my math final, which I was dreading doing, and I failed. I didn't really fail. I think I got like a D, but that's a fail in my books. I was hoping to at least get a C or a B. But also I did that extra credit, so I'm hoping I get those 10 points that can add on to I think will bump my final grade to a C. At least I have like 2 more assignments left, but this is like, I'm just done. I'm over it. Literally, it just ruined my entire mood. You college kids, you know what I mean? I studied and stuff and I got ready for it, but I guess I wasn't ready enough. I knew I was going to do crappy in it, and I don't know why I have to take math anyway, because I'm doing childcare, child and family development, but whatever. I'm just annoyed because I don't want my GPA to drop, and any bad mark will drop my GPA. So I hope it's a C that I pass the class with. On the plus side, my homework, I got like almost basically an A on my homework assignments that I had to submit, and like most of my stuff I did, I got high marks, but it's just these like exams that I suck at. I've always had like an exam anxiety and been really bad in exams, so it's not that odd for me. But I decided I need to tell you all that because you deserve to know what I was telling you guys about this is. And that was the outcome, and I would like to be as real as I can on my channel, and failure is normal in life. So yeah, I don't know. Ugh. Anybody else over finals week? I'm done. I'm like so done with school. I can't wait to be done. I keep thinking at the end of this week I'm done everything and I can just chill, relax. I didn't even get a chance to wash my hair, and like tomorrow I want to wash my hair, but I also need to do a paper that I need to submit for Friday. There's a lot going on. And then I have sign language I need to review. I'm just overwhelmed at this point. But I'm always overwhelmed when it comes to school. I'm a procrastinator, so I'm always overwhelmed. But I'm just irritated with myself. Anyway, let's get out of the sappy mood. I gotta go put my clothes in the dryer, and then my bedding in the dryer, and then I also need to go eat because I haven't ate yet because I've been stressing out over this exam and trying to ace it. But guess who didn't ace it? This girl. I'm pissed. Ugh. Can finals week be over yet? Literally like so mad at myself that I want to cry, but I'm like, Angel, it's all good. So annoying. As you can see, I love cheese. As you can see, like when it's all mixed up, it's really not that much. So I'm actually gonna add some Parmesan on top because why not? And I'm gonna eat. All right, y'all, I got a couple things I need to do. I need to wash some dishes, I need to make my iron tea, and I need to wash my face. As you guys know, I've been slacking on the face department, but I need to wash my face tonight. I think I'm gonna actually do a scrub as well. Those are the things I need to do. You guys can come along. But if I'm being really honest, today is just a hard day. I have these days, like, and everyone has bad days, and today's just been a crappy day. I have these days like once a month where I'm just so emotional, and I'm just like, once a month I cry. But once a month I do have days where I'm just like sad, and I just, I think I'm honestly just mentally exhausted and mentally drained, and I just can't wait for this week to end. I feel like with school being done, it'll take so much off of my shoulders, but I just feel like I have so much on my plate. Yeah, so let's go wash these dishes and make this tea. Hello, I'm all greased up and ready for bed. Not really. I'm going to be literally probably just catching up on sign language, and I should be starting my extra credit paper. But the day has come to an end. I'm sorry, by the way, about the switch of camera settings because I'm moving on to my phone right now because I used up all the storage on my camera, so I don't know. I did film a lot, but a lot of it was just like fast forward clips, like time lapses, so I don't know. I got my tea, of course, and my pill, but I don't know. I guess we'll see how much I filmed and if I got a lot of footage, but I think I'm gonna call it a day. Today has been a whirlwind of emotions. Today I feel like shit today. I could say that. I definitely don't feel good. Today was not a good day, and I guess we all have not good days, but I just want to be always real and authentic in these videos, and that's always the goal. But today was shit. Today was not a good day, no particular reason, and then I think my test just like today was feeling kind of trash all day, kind of, and then like my test just kind of just was like the sinking ship of it all, like pull the plug. That was like my test. Like I was just that over it and irritated with the day. So I am going to end this vlog and edit. I'm sorry today's vlog was not very chipper, you know, but we did get a lot of stuff done and the semester is almost done. T-1 day. T-1 day. Well, T-2 days, but T-1 day because it's the next day already because it's like 1 a.m. right now. But like, can't wait. I need a break. I need some sanity because I haven't had some of those in a minute. But thank you guys. I'm gonna cut this short. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Thank you so much. You guys don't know how much it means to me that you guys stick around, and I love how consistent I've been for this Vlogmas. I was actually telling my boyfriend how sane I feel this semester, and that's why I think I can be doing these videos like this, because I just feel like really sane being at home and like online schooling, because online schooling is so much less stressful for me. And like I even took a break from working, which is like so weird for me. I'm like, I literally, when I'm working, I'm like a workaholic, you guys. So like not working, and like I just use this as like my job. I put like my work efforts into this because I don't have other things to worry about, you know what I mean? I'm happy I'm able to edit these all for you and get them up for you at the same time. 8 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. I think that's what it is. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video again. Happy Vlogmas day 9, I think. I vlogged day 9. Thank you guys so much for watching again. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. I love you guys so much. Mwah. Remember to be humble and always remember self-love is the best love, and it's not goodbye, it's see you tomorrow. Bye guys. Mwah. Bye.